Take a ride in the 2001 SLK Class. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.2-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, convertible hardtop, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, fog lamps, rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. Inside you'll find keyless entry, premium sound system, security system, cruise control, power door locks.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.